So we had a couple snowy days in Washington, and I got this XC90 Volvo, and customer's driving it, lost control, and it went into the curb. This thing broke so bad that it ripped the strut out from inside the wheel well, bent up the control arm, busted the brake off the hub, pretty severe damage on it. We got the subframe out of it right now. Got the replacement one there, just waiting for a couple of new parts to come in for it. But you can see the control arm is completely bent up into a U and ripped the ball joint off of it. That's the new replacement strut that we got for it. Smashed the brake line all up. Busted apart the axle. The brake caliper bolt you can see right here, just sheared that right off. Busted all the aluminum off of the strut where it attaches on that upper portion there. So you got the other side of the ball joint where the boot's still in place, but the ball just got completely ripped out of it. Transmission and engine appear to be okay on it. We're going to do the tie rod, outer tie rod on it. Got a good used subframe for it, and knee assembly, which is this hub assembly, complete used pieces for it as well. Had to get new tires for it, a new rim for it. Quite a bit of damage, but definitely it's coming together, and we'll get it going again. And once we're driving it, we'll check for any other damage or other issues with the vehicle. Can't quite tell everything until you can actually take it out and drive it on the road.